How to fix Slack guest account problem. To fix the Slack's guest account problem, first of all, you need to have a Workspace administrator, verify your account expiration date, and permission settings in the Slack admin console. If your guest account is suddenly deactivated or disabled, you simply have to check the expiration date. When administrators invite external guests, Slack forces them to set an automatic expiration date. Once this date hits, the account automatically deactivates. So, to fix the issue, you simply have to contact your internal project manager or the host company's Slack administrator, and they must go to the settings in administration and head to manage members. From there, they simply have to locate your name and click the extend time or change the settings to does not expire to instantly restore your access. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.